I just got a new coffee machine, an espresso machine, so I am spicing things up a little bit in my coffee station. And I went ahead and I got the glass dispensers for my syrups. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show you what we have going on inside here. So here you have your pumps, and these are glass, so they are very well wrapped, each one individually inside of bubble wrap. The best part about these is there is 59 pre-printed labels that come with it. Every syrup you can imagine: blueberry, blackberry, raspberry, caramel, salted caramel, mocha. I'm telling you, they are in here. For whatever reason you can't find the one that you have, you can also do a DIY. There are some blank ones in here, so you can write it on. Minimalistic, modern look, gonna be beautiful on your countertop. Putting the pump inside of the bottle is very simple. You're just gonna grab your plastic tube here. You're going to press it inside of the top of your pump. Make sure that you press it in there firmly, and then you're gonna drop it inside of your glass bottle. I recommend just kind of holding the bottle down in the top, and then just simple as just twisting it tight. So popping up the syrup dispenser here, you're just going to want to twist this lock that's up underneath of the handle. So just kind of grab it, twist it, and it's going to pop up there on its own. As you can see, I've laid out some of these flavors, and there again are just so many different ones that you can choose from, all the way down to just simply sweetener. It's something for everyone. Now, using these pumps, each full pump is equivalent to 1.5 tablespoons, and each bottle holds exactly 25.4 ounces, which is the size of your standard syrup bottle. So I have here the brown sugar cinnamon. Let's see if we can find a sticker for our brown sugar cinnamon. Oh, and there we go, brown sugar cinnamon. And we are going to make sure it's secure. And now we have our brown sugar cinnamon in our new bottle. This is about the size of the sticker. And you can see it says up here, this is a sugar-free option, brown sugar cinnamon flavor syrup, 750 milliliters or 25.4 fluid ounces, premium quality. I recommend just wiping the exterior of the bottle down. Of course, also cleaning the bottles inside and out, but make sure that you wipe that outside down very good so that way there's no oils or anything, and the sticker will adhere properly. And there you have it, a labeled, beautiful, modern, minimalistic look for your countertop syrup bottles. Go grab these. I absolutely love them. I'm glad that I did, and I cannot wait to display them on my counter. Go grab some. I think you're going to love them just as much as I do.